Now, this is complete soldering negative GND and positive 3-fold already. Now we can show how to find out the soldering the common wires. The green wire is the common wires. What is the common wires? This means there are 3 buttons, and each pin of them there are pin connected together. Now use the open short function. This is short. Now this is common wire, and okay, like 1, 2, 3 common wires. So we can solder this green to the any one of this, or we can, if it's difficult to solder from this, you also can test like this. Now we check this is common wire, and we can test again. This common wire is connected to the negative or positive. So this common wire is connected to the positive 3 volts. So we can also solder this to positive together. If common wires connected to the negative GND, you solder this. So you can do test to select solder it to positive or negative. This one is positive, so we can solder it together. Okay. Then we can test what is lock. So we can lock, unlock, track, release, and at the last step we test this one is common wires. So we can do this. This pin is open with the common wires, but when press it will short. So that is lock wires. So we can solder the lock to the this bottom pin. The lock wires is white, so we can solder the lock wire to this pin. And the same as others, so we can show unlock. Unlock is yellow, so we can show. We remember this pin is common wires. So this is a common wire too. So we can test this one. It's open, but when we press it, it will short. So this one is for the unlock, the yellow. Okay, the last one, track release. So the same one. In normal, we can test. We can use the each direction is right. So it's open, but we press it, it will short. So this one. can, trunk is blue, so we can solder it. Now it's complete. When we complete, we can connect it to the control box of this, connect to the next port. And we connect all the wires to the car. Then we can use our remote do unlock. Then if we do unlock, so we will give power to the original remote control. Then so we can do test. After press this our remote do unlock, then it will give the power to the original remote. So then we can press trunk unlock lock to try control the car. Okay.